Previously on a not so dirty 30. So your girl went to get her lashes done. I also got these cute nails done. Look at them, how gorgeous. Also did some shopping for like shoes, purses, and jewelry to complement my birthday dress, which I made myself. Yes, I actually did it myself. And it's my birthday. Oh, you're so cute.
Yeah, me a cry, you know, come back to my family.
So, don't be me.
Yeah, she
you, I
just
love
take it
it.
from me, you know.
I love it so much.
Alright.
Thank you. The head is going hate, okay? But it's Friday and I'm getting ready. No weapon of fur on here. Like my licky, but you are my fur. No, Jesus Christ. Why this kid invading the vlog? Just because you look like he was. He does. So yeah, I'm gonna get a little face beat right now.
Please excuse me.
Hold on to me. Mommy.
While we have three little kids in the room, yes, Javi?
And I wanted
Guys, it's going to be a disaster. Please don't press it. I beg of you.
I'm trying to tell you.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna catch you in a bit.
What do you think I can do? What about his top?
Like my face, like my makeup. Color tonight. So,
Why?
it's Friday. I'm in the process of getting my makeup done. I'm heading on the road. It's my birthday. Say happy birthday, mommy.
Happy birthday to you,
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear mommy.
Happy birthday to you.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing till slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag.
Okay, so I'm back. But my MUA had to run, so I'm gonna just finish up my face myself. Marketing girl on the undercap, but she basically did the base for me, so I'm just gonna, finish up and chat with you guys while I'm here. Like, come on. So, guys, I just turned 30. Today's officially my 30th birthday. I'm an Aries. You woo! So, your girl is 30. Don't feel different, like, as much as they say, 30 is gonna feel like it's basically a milestone. But I feel no different. I feel like I'm still 29. I feel like I'm still 16 if I'm being honest. So, for all my babes turning 30 this year, don't make it stress you out, please, because it's just another year. Feels like a normal day. Don't even feel like my birthday. But I did receive a special delivery this morning, well, this afternoon, from B, of course. I'm gonna insert a little clip right here. How cute is this? So he actually listen. It's because him knows that me love my belly. He was like texting me this morning, like after he left for work, and was like, "Oh, I'm sending you lunch today, yada yada yada. I'm gonna tell you when it's there. I'm gonna have it delivered to the house, blah blah blah." So maybe I say, "Your man, food a come girl on Friday, cause nobody no cook on Friday." So I'm like, "Oh, how sweet! I expect some pasta, some oxtail and thing." So I was there afternoon now, like approaching lunchtime. And I say, "Yo, girl, I get hungry. I don't even want to eat. Don't come here." I'm anticipating my birthday lunch. All of a call say, "Oh, come outside. There is something here for me." Still thinking it's the food. Turns out it's not. It's like the most beautiful bouquet of flowers and chocolate, and like I have a birthday balloon. Like I was just so shocked. So yeah, big up yourself for the one because I was literally shocked. I was not expecting that at all. Me I expect food. They tell us the food that come, and the food not come. But I mean, this was so much better than food. Like I really love it and appreciate it. Thank you. I know you're watching. I love that you're moving like towards being, romantic, because let's face it, not every guy is like the romantic type, but you have to give props to the ones who try. And once they know that you like a particular thing, and that's why communication is so important. You're dating, you tell your partner what you like, what you don't like, and hopefully they'll listen and, meet those needs. So yeah, I really love that, really appreciate it. So thank you again. So cute. So yeah, that was it for most of my day, and it was well spent. My sister came over, my nephew was here, and you know, we just chilled out, and then we're gonna get some food afterwards. So that was good. Give me a sec. So pretty much my day was spent at home with the boys, and I think that's how I would have, you know, envisioned my birthday to be, like very family oriented. Like I just want to spend more time. I mean, I spend time with them all the time, but I mean, you know, it's a birthday, I have all these big plans. Like I'm so okay with just staying in and just chilling with them, and that's basically what we did. And I mean, it was cool, it was chill. I'm not a fussy girl. But then this was like, we have to go somewhere, so I'm here getting ready. We'll go out. We don't know where to get. So concrete. We had like a lot of options thrown out because, as we complain about every day, like we literally have nothing to do. Like what we wanna do? What wanna do on a regular basis? Like what are the activities that you guys like literally go out and do like on the weekends? Because you know about the local, you know, restaurant hopping, eat some food. What else? I've been to most of like the game arcades. I don't feel like I'm too old for them something there. I mean, you're never too old there as long as you feel, but like certain things I think I've outgrown or I've already experienced. I don't really want to do that again. The arcades, like we're even gonna go to the movies to watch like John Wick, but it's probably too late for that. But we can always go to movies. But right now, there's a skating rink that we want to check out. And I'll probably get food after. I mean, I've never ever, I don't recall ever having the experience of skating, so that should be interesting. I can't skate, so I don't know. Jason can't skate, he said he can't skate, but he might forgot to prove that one day to me. I've never seen him skating to me, but I said he can't skate. So I'm just gonna finish up my face, and then I'm waiting on Jason to get home. I'm gonna go TikTok because I'm not reaching for now. So if I do those TikToks, you guys will see them after this, and then I'm gonna come back to you all dolled up, and at that time we'll be on the road. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to wish me a happy birthday in the comments, like the video, share it with a friend, leave us a, you know, a cheerful positive comment down below. I really appreciate it. And before you go guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right here. Look how I'm strong. I'm probably wrong, I never know what it is, but yeah, be up for yourself all the time. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.
Las Vegas trip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag.
Girl, it's Friday night. We ain't kicking in a while on a Friday night. It's time to step out on this Friday night. You acting like an old lady.
Girl, you probably right. Let me look up in the closet, see what I can wear. Check the bank account, let me see what I can spell. Baby daddy might trip, but I don't even care.
You don't never go out. He been out all year.
Girl, you gon' get a bitch beat up.
Child, please. What time we gon' meet up? This off fast ain't gon' do shit. But talk like he always do, bitch.
Okay, so I'm giving you guys a little outfit of the night. I'm rocking this little cute button-up black top. It has some cute little frills on the side. I have on these distressed jeans, and the legs are like super wide and super cute, guys. Check it out. And it kind of give me a little, you know, something on the back. So as I said, it's super wide at the legs. And I'm wearing my Adidas sneakers, and I have a little black crossbody bag, but this is the bag tied on me. I'm tired of the bag, so I'm gonna take out my bag, but I'm gonna try and find something else I can go with black, because that is the vibe for tonight. So yeah, this is the fit. Another banger. So we're out on the road, guys. It's pretty late. It's like 10 o'clock and we're just a leave out. So oh my god, this over. We got this over. But yeah, guys, I am tired already. I don't know what's me on the night all. Oh yeah, I'm get copyright. Baby, come give me a look. But yeah, guys, simply put, simple beat, simple everything. Why my necklace tangled? It is tangled. So we just a show about now, and we'll see where the night takes us. Because that's always the vibe. We'll see where the night takes us, and yeah, just stay tuned. Weird things. Guys, oh, you love my nails. They're so cute. I love them. Like, this is the first time I'm trying all my nails, and I've always loved it, but I was like, other people feel come here and say, yo, my nail bed them so broad and it not look cute or whatever. But I decided to try them, and as I said, this is a year of trying new things, like the big 3-0, new things, you know. Fearless girl, just go out there without fear. So yeah, I tried the almond shape and I really love them. They're so cute, and I did like some red tips because I'll be wearing a red dress. Stay tuned for that one. So yeah, let's catch you. It's okay. Look oily. The guys were at Timber Lounge in what is Sovereign Mall. We'll come outside and take 2 pics, look nice pictures. I'm gonna insert them right here and right here. Okay. Go, here you go.
Got somebody, she is a beauty, very special, really and truly. Take good care of me, like it's her duty. Want you right by my side, night and day. No letting go, no holding back, because you are my lady.
So guys, just finished in Timber Lounge and it was okay. The place did full of vibes, but the food, I don't know about the food, guys. I don't know about the food, but let's see when I come back either. I prefer Voda. Voda's so much better. Like, the food at Voda was lit. It was the same vibe though, but the food was so much better. So yeah, guys, I think that should be a wrap for the rest of the night. I don't know. Hey, I see a drain. Yo, I see some of the phone dropping at the drain half a tree. I have an instant heart attack. Can't manage. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you in the morning. Yeah, I'm catch you in the morning. Peace. I had a fun night. Dirty 30. 30, flirty, and thriving. 30, flirty, and thriving. 13 going on 30.
Dirty 30.
Oh, no. Time to go home. Grew up in this church. I don't know why the place looks so bleachy. But I don't like that for me. I don't like that for me at all.
Wanna go have a general?
Long time in a scene. One of them there. It's the next day. It is Saturday. It's still my birthday because, you know, I'm still celebrating and whatnot. So it's day 2 of the birthday lashes, right? So I'm heading now to the hairdresser to go and install my birthday wig. Got it from Everything Women Love Boutique on IG. I'll tag them right here because the hair nice. I hope it fits me. I've never ever done this color before. I was, what do you call it now? Forested. I was forested by them to get this color. So I'm gonna try it and let you guys see. So yeah, I'm gonna go on do the wig like days before. Like I'm gonna do like my nails and my lashes. I don't know, but like my hair just fresh, like on the same day. So that's why I waited. But really, I should have sleep from yesterday, don't it? Instead of doing it on the day, so I'm just gonna just chill out during the morning. But yeah, guys, that's the pre. I'm gonna take you guys with me for the install. So stay for this like okay. Should I really do it yesterday? Is it giving or is it not giving? I like the lens. But my dress on because I've never done this before. I'm gonna think about myself to look further. I like it, black and color, black. So guys, this is like midway into the process and I must say that I'm loving it. It have a little buzz, man. I like it have a little buzz. And I can't wait to see the finished product. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Big up my new hairstylist, which I run the background here. I'm absolutely loving it. I'm gonna link her in the video so you guys can go and check her out if you're in Spain. Even if you're not in Spain, like it's worth the drive. So check her out.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid at me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart's icy. Come baby, come try me. Who you
So guys, it's about 7:30 and we are out. I have reservations for 8 o'clock for dinner and tonight we're going to Uso. So that's a new Italian restaurant that I've been seeing so many great reviews about. So I said let me check it out on my birthday. So that's where we're heading tonight and as usual I'm gonna take y'all with me. So I did a little bit. So yeah, I did a little bit on the face and not even talk about the ear yet. I'm not even into the finished look. So this is it. Slayed by Love to Lace. Yeah, Love to Lace. Like she did her thing with this and I'm in love. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you're loving the new look. I mean, I'm only gonna rock it for a while, but still, let me know. Let me know what you think about the birthday glam. Happy 30th to me, and not so dirty 30. So yeah, hashtag not so dirty 30. Okay? Okay. So yeah, guys, I'm here. catch you at the restaurant.
Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, girl. Baby, call me, I too fly, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.
Guys, so we're at Buzo, and I mean, it's pretty chill. The ambiance is great. The vibe is definitely here. We just placed an order for our food, so now we're just waiting for them to like prepare it and take it to us. But yeah, it's definitely a vibe. So this is there. I'm gonna take it alright. So no eating before the video.
Since 2016, Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sis, and when she speak I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart's icy. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, girl. Baby, call me, I too fly, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah.
This was the bill. $132. So dinner was fun. The food was really good. How was your food, Jason? What you rate it? A 7. I gave mine because for a reason I give that 10 out of 10. I got the lasagna, and guys, if you know me, I've been perfecting my lasagna recipe, but it couldn't come nowhere close to the lasagna. Like anytime I go like an Italian restaurant and the lasagna is just always good, so I'm always up for it. But I give mine an 8.5 out of 10. Drinks was okay. What else? The mashed potato was good. Jason got some pork and broccoli, some mix up in some. It was, well, him never gave me none. Now that I'm looking at it, you didn't let me taste your food and I gave you some of mine. Anyway, guys, it was a good experience.
I feel you.
What do you mean, I? I'm not eating. If anyone give me the food, like, give me the food. I'm not eating no food. I'm not stunned for the YouTube. Can't tell a lie for me. I'm tired, guys. I just want to go home and sleep. But if I just go wash off the face here, so the face I was just for 2 hours, I'm going to just go home, so I act like nothing. That's what you're saying to me? We need to go somewhere. We need to go to Taboo or something. Let's go. Let's go to Taboo. Listen. Guys, I love my little cute dress that I made. It has like a little bow at the front. The seatbelts are kind of not doing justice. But yeah, all in all, I give Buzo like an 8 out of 10 for the experience. The service was really good. The food was good. Ambiance, everything. So yeah, I definitely recommend. So the night is over. We're still celebrating though. Don't know when the celebrations will end, but we're slated to go on the road tomorrow. So if we do, I'll definitely take you guys along with us for like a Sunday evening chill and see. And yeah, I guess tomorrow will be the end of the birthday festivities. I wish it could go on forever and ever, but sadly can't. Or can it? Can it? Not today, not this year, probably next year. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for rocking with your girl. I hope you guys are loving the videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a little comment down below. And let me know if you're liking it over here at the Couture Bar. So yeah. guys, I'll catch you in the morning because I'm tired, man. Sleep will kill me. I don't know. Peace.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Turn up for your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Turn up for your birthday. Turn up for your birthday.